This video is sponsored by AppMaker. AppMaker is a WordPress plugin that converts WooCommerce websites to mobile apps. The mobile app builder helps you create native Android and iOS applications. Get 30% off by being first 200 sign up. Get the link in the description.
Hey everyone, welcome back to another video of Educate WordPress. On this channel, we talk everything about WordPress. And today, we're going to see how we can add testimonial slider in a WordPress website. To add testimonial slider, we're going to use Elementor Pro widget, which is called Testimonial Carousel. For using that, we're going to need Elementor Pro. You will find Elementor Pro linked in the description. Once you're on the website, click on a plan, complete your purchase and install the plugin. Now let's start creating our testimonial slider. Search for testimonial carousel. And here we can see we have 3 slides. You can add more slides if you want. Here is the content. Here you can choose the image. And here you can change the title. You can also choose a dynamic tag from here. For example, if you want to add a user info, you can do that as well. And here we have skin. This is the default skin which we have applied here. And this is the bubble skin. Basically adds a box around the text we have added. Next we have layout. The default is image inline. We have image tagged, image above, image left and right. We also have alignment for the text. And we can also add slides per view. For example, I want to show all 3 slides at once. I can do that from here. And we can also add slides to scroll. So this will scroll 2 at a time. We can change the width. Let's go to additional options. And here we can choose if we want arrows. There are arrows, but you can't see them because of the color. Once I change the color, you will be able to see the arrows. Here we have pagination option. We have applied dots. This is fraction, progress, and the none, which shows nothing, of course. You can add autoplay or disable it. You can add infinite loop and pause and hover or interaction, which basically pauses the autoplay. You can change the image size from here. Let's go to style. We can add space between the content as well. We can change the background color. the border size and the border radius. Let's add some padding to it. Let's go to content. We can add gap to our content as well. Let's change the text color. You can change the typography and text stroke as well. Here we can change the name text color, which is this. And this is the text color for title. Next we have image. We can choose the size, gap from the content, which is the name and title, and border radius as well. And here's the navigation. We can increase the size of the arrow and color, of course. Now you might be able to see the arrows. We can also add active color. And this is basically our testimonial carousel. You can also add more styles to it to make it look better. Now that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Like if you find this video useful and subscribe. Thank you.